6, 9. 8, 6, 9.
Hello there YouTube, today we have another unboxing and a review of the Flipper Zero this time, and this is a very nice, very dangerous in the wrong hands device, and we want to test it and share the results with you. So let's get to the unboxing. I already opened it up just to see what's inside of it. So we have a kind of a sticker, we have the quick start manual, and we have your type C to type A cable, and you have the Flipper Zero here. So let's get it out of the box and let's turn it on. And here you can just go press the middle button and you see all the settings that you, well, applications and settings. Here you have applications. When you go into it, it's games and everything that is extra. Let's get out of it, and you have sub gigahertz. When you go into it, it will read all the sub gigahertz. As you can see now, it's scanning. And if you are in the range of this, so this is for like, let's say, garage door transmitters, or all kinds of transmitters that are using sub gigahertz frequencies. You can manually adjust your frequencies. You can also say frequency analyzer, which means, like, let's say I have a transmitter. I just at this stage, if I transmit something, it'll give me the frequency, well, the perfect frequency for it. And here, when you're actually reading raw, you can change, like, let's say here, I can change the frequency, well, get it as close as possible to the analyzing frequency, and then it will just record it. You can say here record. As you can see now, it's recording here in the line. So anything that comes here, as you press the button, it will analyze it and it will record it, and you say stop, and then you can save it, erase it, or send it. So exit, all unsaved will be lost. All right. So here there is also a sub gigahertz remote, so you can also use this as a remote controller. I haven't tested this function yet. You have also 125 kilohertz RFID, which are just let me see what I've saved. Well, yeah, I have my garage door key saved on it. So when I press on it, I can emulate it. So if I press emulate, it will open the garage door for me when I come close to this, because it's sending it out. You can also write it, edit it, delete it, and you have also NFC tags here. Let me see what I've also already saved. It's my Visa card. I can emulate it. My Visa card, I can just emulate it as I'm paying somewhere, not taking out my Visa card. And you have also Bamboo Lab basic PLA orange, the tags that they're using. It also took that information out of it. So I can emulate it. I can also write it to initial card. So let's say you have empty RFIDs or empty tags that are, you know, wanting, well, you can write onto. You can just say write, and it says apply the initial card only. So you place it onto the card or the sticker that with the NFC on it, and it will just, the information on it, and you can basically, well, kind of hack it. So we have also PLA white, and it's the same kind of thing. I just only tested those two. So let's get out of that. And you have infrared, and here you have universal remotes. So let's say I go to universal remotes. You have television, audio, projectors, fans, and ACs. So let's say television, you get this kind of remote controller, as you can see. And when I press this button here, it will open any kind of television in the range, or close it if they are already open. So you can also adjust the volume and change channels or mute them. I tested this on my own television. It works flawlessly. So when you press it, let's say I press this, now it's sending. You see the percentage here. It's like 1220, and it will find it. It just goes pretty fast, and it finds the television. That is, you have to aim it towards it though. Here is the RF sender, and well, I think there is a small chance that it won't find it. And when you press it again, if it's open, it will just close the television. Very nice. I love that option. It's something that I probably gonna use. Remember, guys, don't use these kind of stuffs on places that they don't give you the permission to do it, unless it's your own personal stuff. Then you can do whatever you like. So you can also go to GPIO, which are these pins here. You can connect like a Wi-Fi sniffer on here, or a board that you can program to do anything you like a GPS or whatever. You have also BAT USB, which, you know, here are two demos of demo Mac OS and demo Windows OS. You can program anything you like and put it on here. Malicious software, whatever you like, you just connect it to a USB type C here to the target computer, and it will ruin it. Very dangerous stuff, guys. It just happens within a couple of seconds. You just plug it in and it does whatever he likes. It has also a U2F. It's also wanting me to connect to a computer. You have a clock, yay. And you have, well, here are the settings that you can adjust whatever you like: LCD and notifications and Bluetooth and storage and power and desktop, passport, system, and about. So you have also the applications, as I said: games, miscellaneous, MISC, tools, GPIO, music. So let's play a music, yeah? I don't know if there is any music on there. Music player. Yeah, it plays music as well. So let's get out of there. Well, not much to say more about this machine as options here on the machine itself. You have also an attacher here underneath. Not sure what this is for. I'm afraid it's just like pins that have connectors on it. You just press it on there and it reads. And apart from that, it's just a very nice feeling machine. I like it. Your micro SD card goes in here. You need one to install all these updates and everything. Very nice machine. I like it. I love it. The way it feels. I thought it was going to be a flimsy, very low quality machine or whatever. It really does feel very high quality in my hands. That's one of the things I love about it. It's just the colors, maybe, yeah, it could have been different. Like, let's say this could have been a black version. This flipper could have been a different color, and especially these buttons could be a little bit better. But yeah, it's what you have. Maybe in the future we will have one with touchscreen, a bigger screen one. I don't know, but this battery goes a very long time as far as I can remember. It's, I think, 12 days of usage. Well, depends on what you're doing on your usage. If you're always scanning and sending stuff, I'm afraid that's gonna go maybe 1/3 of the time. But it's, as I say, very nice piece of technology. Anyways, guys, now I'm going to show you guys what I've done so far with this machine, and you can see whether you like it and maybe you want to get one. But as far as I know, it's very hard to put your hands on one. Maybe you can get it on a second-hand market for double the price or triple the price. Don't do it, guys. Those are people who always will do that. We call them scalpers. So don't be someone who buys stuff from a scalper, because if you do, you are going to make it always happen. They will always do the same stuff. If they don't earn money from it, they will stop. It will stop if people stop buying stuff from them or keep it on a very minimalistic way. Then there is no problem. But the problem only happens if everyone is like, oh, I want one, I'm gonna get one now. That's the problem. Anyways, guys, let's get to the tests.
This video is brought to you by PCBWay, your one-stop for all PCB needs. We can design, prototype and build the boards your business requires at a price you can afford. Right now, 4- and 6-layer PCB costs have been reduced by 20%. The highest quality is matched by a quick order process and a 99% on-time delivery. The best value, low minimum orders and a fast turnaround. PCBWay.com.
major financial entities were supporting it. So, it's very unfortunate, and I think it was, it caught a lot of us by surprise, including myself.
Yeah, absolutely. No, it's certainly been riding the wave throughout the media at the moment. But today, there's a bit of a phrase. Today, I'm a Bitcoin millionaire. Tomorrow, would you like
vegetables, but we buy our own cereals and legumes.
Cereali e legumi si comprano.
Some people have dubbed Cardinali the hermit of Cupra Montana, but he says he doesn't like being called a hermit. He says life is simply lived best in small communities.
So anyways, guys, thank you for watching this unboxing slash review of this Flipper Zero, and maybe you guys can let me know in the comments below whether you're going to get one or not, and if you're getting one, what are the purposes you're going to use it for? Are you going to use it for good or for bad? So I hope nobody is willing to use it as for bad, because you can with these machines. Guys, I also want to let you guys know, and thank you guys as well, that we have gone through 1,000 subscribers a couple weeks ago. So as promised, there is a giveaway of a Raspberry Pi. This time it'll be a Raspberry Pi 2 gigabytes, and not like the last time, it's not going to be an 8 gigabytes version, because I couldn't get one, and the only thing I could get is a Raspberry Pi 2 gigabytes version. So what you have to do to compete in this giveaway is, in this video that well, we're watching now, on the comments below, you just comment #giveaway. That's all you have to do. You just #giveaway in the comments, and then you participate in this giveaway, and you might be the next winner. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video, and hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, hit the thumbs down if you didn't like the video, subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content like this in the future. Bye!